Bohr diagram. How to draw Bohr diagram. First of all, the first thing you need to know is what element are you going to be drawing for. And Bohr diagram, so you know, is the different energy levels and where are those electrons in those energy levels. So far, we have been talking about the energy levels in here, right? Do you remember? These are the energy levels. I need you to get this one out. Get it out. And I want you to go to the back of this one. See it over here in the back. Everyone? In the back. In the back, you will see, if we go across like this way, okay? In the first energy level, what is the total numbers of electrons you can have? Two. Why, guys? How do you know?
It's maximum number of electrons.
For S will be 2, and we only have one S. Okay, in the second energy level, what are the two orbitals that we have over there? 2S and 2P. Okay, what is the maximum of electrons that I can have in the second energy level? Add them together. 8. Are we clear why 8? Two from the 2S and 6 from the 2P. We're seeing it. No. I'm talking about energy level. I'm not talking about how to draw them. Okay, it's not how to draw them. I'm talking about this one, and that's why I said see it like this by numbers. Okay. Second energy level. Third energy level. Can you explain to me what are my three sub-levels that we have in that third energy level? 3S, 3P, and 3D. If you're lost what I'm doing, raise your hand right now. I'll come around to show you what I'm talking about. What is the maximum amount of electrons I can have in the third energy level? 18. Very good. Fourth energy level. What are my sub-levels that I have over there?
4S, 4P, 4D, and 4F.
Very good. What's the total numbers of electrons I can have over there?
32.
32. Very good. It's 32. If you count, S is 2, P is 6, so that's 8, D is 10, 18, and F is how many? 14. That's 32. Very good. The fourth energy level, we said it. The fifth energy level? 32 again. Fifth energy level is 32. And the sixth energy level? 18. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? Please ask right now. And the seventh energy level? 8. Yes? Up to here? Are we good? Okay. Energy levels. So we're going to be drawing the total numbers of electrons, and we're going to put them in different energy levels. Here we go. Let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, find the element on the periodic table. That's, in order to do diagrams, we first need to know what element are we talking about. So first find your element on the periodic table. If I go fast at any point in time, let me know, Dr. Garcia, slow down. After we have find that element in the periodic table, we will determine the numbers of electrons. Remember, total numbers of electrons. The numbers of electrons. Guys, how do we know the numbers of electrons? Who tells us the numbers of electrons? The atomic number tells you what specifically? The numbers of protons. How do you know then your numbers of electrons? It's neutral, so it has to have the same numbers of electrons. Okay, are we clear? Find the element in the periodic table. Find the total numbers of electrons, and this will tell you how many electrons you're going to be drawing. So, my question, for carbon, if we're talking about for carbon, how many electrons does carbon have?
6.
How do you know?
Because it has to be neutral.
6 protons, so what number gave you the number 6? Atomic number. So, if we're talking about carbon, we know that carbon has how many electrons?
6.
Carbon has 6 electrons. Do we agree? Up to there? Yes? No? Maybe? Okay, let's continue. numbers of electrons. The the next thing you need to do is find out in which period or road that element is. Always determine the period or road that element is. The numbers of periods will tell you how many energy levels you're going to draw. So are we clear? Determine in what period it is. And that will tell you how many energy levels you're going to draw.
Those are the circles around.
Those are the circles around. Yeah, you're right. So for carbon, question, for carbon, in what period is carbon? Because we're using carbon as an example.
2.
In period 2. So we know that carbon is in period 2. That means that we're going to draw how many circles? 2. Okay, guys, I want you to see first. Don't write anything. I want you to see, and then I'm going to allow you time to draw, okay? Here we go. First of all, you will draw carbon in the middle. It doesn't have to be shaded. I just put it as an example. We're drawing carbon in the middle, the symbol in the middle.
Wait, were we supposed to write down all these steps?
I'll let you write the steps soon. But I want you to understand. From the other one, it's just determining what period it is.
Okay.
Okay, so are we clear? We're drawing the symbol for carbon. How many energy levels am I drawing and why? 2. Why 2? Because it's in second period. So here we go. 1, 2. Up to there, are we clear? Okay, do it. Write it down now in your paper. You're going to draw the symbol and then 2 energy levels. When you're done, put your pencils down. That way I know you're done.
We don't want that done yet?
No. Because I want you to understand like what we're doing. You're drawing the carbon, then you're drawing your 2 circles. Are we good with that? How many electrons are we drawing in total? 6. Okay. How many electrons did we said the first energy could hold? What was the maximum amount that the first energy level could hold? 2. So we cannot draw more than 2 electrons. Are we clear? The first energy level can hold 2 electrons. That's the maximum amount that we're going to draw. So this is how we will draw it. 1, 2. See it again? To the right, and then we go to the left. Right, left. Again. Right, left. These are my first 2. How many more do I need to draw? 4 more. We're going to draw them counterclockwise. We will always start in the right, and then we will go counterclockwise. See it. I want you to see it, and then write it. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why do you move to the second energy level?
Because the first energy level is already full. So the rest of the
energy level can only have 2.
yes, that's the maximum amount. How many can the second energy level hold?
6.
Maximum amount. 8. See it. It's in here. See it over here. Just see it like this. 2 and 6, 8. See it over here? 2 plus 6, 8. Okay. And obviously carbon doesn't have 8 electrons. That's why we didn't draw them over there. Carbon has only 4 electrons left, which are those ones that we're drawing. By the way, guys, so you understand, when I'm talking about valence electrons, and this will come with Lewis that we're learning today, valence electrons are those electrons in the outer shell, in the outer energy level. How many does carbon have? 4. Tell me, in what group is carbon? 14. What is the traditional way of numbering the periodic table? 4a. The traditional way will tell you how many valence electrons they have. So they have 4. Up to there, are we good? Okay, let's do another one.
Does spacing matter a lot? Like, I get it if it's like 4, but like what if it's like more on the outside?
We'll talk about it right now. I want to show you silicon. I'm going to do silicon in here, and then I'm going to continue with the smart board too, but silicon, just to show you how they will have 4 valence electrons too. So silicon, what do I need to do? Tell me.
Find silicon on the periodic table.
Okay, find silicon in the periodic table.
And it's 14 electrons.
14 electrons, do you agree with her? With Olivia? Yes? Okay, what's my next step?
Down to
Draw
what period
the-
is it?
The period, what period is it is, silicon?
Period 3.
Period 3, so this is important. Why is the period important?
See how many lines?
How many lines I'm going to be drawing, right? So, silicon will go, let me move this a little bit. Silicon will go in the middle. How many lines am I drawing? 3. 1, 2, 3. These are the energy levels. That is telling us where those electrons will be. How many electrons are we drawing in total? 14. Okay, question. How many electrons can the first energy level hold? 2. So I'm drawing those 2. 1, 2. Yes? How many can the second energy level hold? 8. Okay, so I have to, and we have to draw 14. So the second energy will be full, right? Do you agree? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, question. Can I draw the other 4 in the second energy level? Why not? Because it can only hold 8. How do, ask. Come on, ask me. How do I know what? Come on. Okay, are we good up to here? Gio, are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, how many more electrons do I have left to draw? 4 more. Where will those 4 go? That's right, in opposite way. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we count them all, they will all add to what? 14. Question. How many do I have in the last energy level? 4. Those are my valence electrons. Do you see how the elements are located in the periodic table? They have those things in common. Okay, yes?
Yes.
Questions up to right now? Okay, let's do another one. We're going to be working another example, and you're going to be doing it. I'll give you time to work, and then I'm going to give you the answers. So here we go. And how do you check out? Check out in what period each element is. So again, carbon is in period what? 2, so I should have only 2 lines. And then check that you have all the electrons. How many electrons did carbon have? 6. So I have my 6 electrons here, right? Then check in this one too, silicon. In what period was silicon? 3rd. So I have 3 lines, yes? 3 circles, 3 energy levels. And what is the total numbers of electrons that I can draw? What is the total numbers that silicon has? 14. Okay. First energy level, what is the maximum it could hold? 2. Second energy level, how many can they hold? 8. And third energy level, what would be the maximum amount we could put in the third energy level? 18, but obviously we don't have 18 to put because silicon has only 4 left to draw. Yes? Okay. Here we go. Try hydrogen. How would you do, and then I'm going to give you the answer, how would you draw for hydrogen? Coming around to see what you have. Just for hydrogen. Are we done?
Oh, not yet. Yeah, done.
How many circles are you drawing? 1. How many electrons are you drawing? 1. Okay, there you go. That's your answer. How do you know how many circles to draw?
The period.
The period. Remember, those circles are energy levels. Okay, let's go with helium. How many energy levels are you drawing for helium?
1.
2.
And what period is helium?
2.
Period 2? And what period is helium?
What?
It's a period 1. See it across?
Oh,
That's the same period. Okay, so it's only how many circles are you drawing? How many electrons are you putting? 2. Are we clear how it's only? Yes.
So helium's in group 18, which is 8A.
Or
Or does that
helium
not include helium?
helium is in group 18 because it's a noble gas. Okay?
but for the 8A part, like, does that not include?
It will not include them. Helium, how many valence electrons does helium have? 2. Do you see that? Because it's only 2 that they have. So helium is the only exception of the noble gases. The rest of them will have 8 valence electrons except for helium. Okay, any questions? Let's go with oxygen. Can someone tell me, how do you do Bohr diagrams in your own words? Because I don't want you to memorize anything. I want you to understand what we're doing. Can someone tell me? Try to the camera, that's
Symbol.
why. Okay.
Symbol.
The symbol, uh-huh.
And then however many periods there are.
How do you know how many
circles.
periods we're doing?
On the
for-
periodic table.
On the periodic table. How do we know for oxygen?
Because it's in period 2.
Period 2, so that means that we will have how many?
2.
2. And what's the total numbers of electrons that you're going to draw?
8.
8. So that's for oxygen, right? Yes? Okay, I think you got the message. Now, I'm going to give you some time to work, and you have this diagrams. It's not that I have forgotten about it. I gave, if you weren't in class, my juniors don't have it. I'll give it today. But you're going to be working with this ones, okay?